Let me know if you guys can hear me. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. Just want to make sure we are good to go. I believe you guys can hear me now, but just let me know in the chat. Let me know. All right, awesome. So, guys, if you want to invite somebody, go ahead and do that. Maybe there's somebody that needs this information. Today, we're going to be analyzing the market. We're going to kind of like look over it. But the first thing we're going to actually do is we're gonna wow, crazy stuff. We're gonna check the news. Okay, we're gonna check the news, and it says Tuesday 8:30 we got CAT news. Okay, then 9:45 we got USD news. So not really concerned about that, because 9:45 is a little far from now. But let's go ahead and look at the market. What do we have here? Well, today's Tuesday, okay? So the market opened right here for GBP JPY, moved down, and then came all the way up here. Then after that, slowly the market pushed down, and it's been pushing down, right? Now, what I do see right here is that the market had a big impulse to the downside, and it never really corrected, okay? So let's take a look right here. Market had this impulse, this correction, this impulse, this correction, and then right after that, it came right back up to this area. Had a correction, had an impulse, had a correction, didn't really have an impulse, came back to this area. Okay, and then correction. So if we take a look right here, and I just want you guys to to take a look at this. You see this move right here? How the market pushed a little bit, corrected, pushed back. Is literally not the same, but very close to what the market, did right here as well, right? It pushed a little bit, corrected, and then big push, right? So what is it that I would like to see right here for GBP JPY? What I would like to see right here for GBP JPY, just because we had a correction right here. Okay, and then after that, the market literally melted, right? Now, what I would like to see is some type of correction from this point, because this point was already tested. Okay, that area was already tested. So I would like to see the market coming up at least to this zone. Okay, and then from there, coming down. So I'm just gonna mark the area right here. The market is not really pushing up right now. It's in this area right here. But I would love to see. I'm not gonna even make any lines because I would just like to see if the market comes to this area. Now, what does these numbers represent? Very easy. These numbers represent. Dun, 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 dun. How was your weekend, guys? Let me know in the chat. Also, let me know where you're connected from. Where are you connected from? This right here is invalidation level, meaning if we are waiting for the market to come down, okay, and the market actually comes all the way up here, then this analysis, right, or this structure that I was looking for is not longer valid, right? So that's what that means. Okay, now this is downtrend area. Okay, this is downtrend area where I would like to see the market coming for a continuation to the downside. Okay, and then these are potential exits. Okay, so potential exit one, or potential areas what I would like to see the market going to. Okay, boom, boom, boom. All right, so so those are the areas that I'll be looking for to see a reaction in the market. Now, if the market continues coming down and it breaks this low right here that we created in this red box, then obviously the areas will change, right? But for now, we're still waiting. Now, do you guys have any question regarding this? Let me know in the chat. I'm gonna give you 1 minute so you can go ahead and ask any question. Now I'm gonna send this on the Telegram, the community Telegram. So hopefully you guys are there. Boom. All right, awesome. So coming back over here. No questions? All right, awesome. So this is GJ. Now, do you guys have any other pair that you want me to go over? Let me know in the chat if you have any specific pair that you want me to go over. Yes, you could definitely have it. Now, guys, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And let me make this announcement. Okay, there will be a 3-day boot camp. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a 3-day boot camp with an ebook that is gonna show you how to build a trading system. Okay, and also 1-month community. All right, where we're gonna go over what we study those 3 days and see if there's improvement. All right, I wanna make sure we are in a shot where you say, oh my god, like this helped me, this didn't help me, right? Or stuff like that. So just overall improvement. All right, so if you guys want to do that, if you guys want to do that boot camp, I'm telling you, it's gonna be life changing. Like, I'm not even excited. Like, no, it's gonna be life changing. So I'm gonna drop the link on the Telegram as well. Okay, I'm gonna drop the link on the Telegram. Okay, so if you want to be a part of the 3-day boot camp, let me see if I could share the link. Boom, copy, and I'm gonna put it on the chat comments. All right, I already put it right there. Hands down, it's gonna be a great experience, so I wouldn't miss it. So all you gotta do, you just gotta register. I'm gonna send the form on the Telegram, and I'm only taking 100 people. Okay, only taking 100 people. So if you want to send this to somebody wants to take advantage of it as well, then I'll go ahead and do that too, because spots are gonna fill up real quick. All right, so 3-day bootcamp with me, where I'm gonna literally share with you a lot of things that you don't even know. Okay, cool. So this is GJ. Now, do you guys have any other pair? Let me know in the chat if you have a pair. Just drop it in the chat if you do. Drop the pair that you want me to go over. Drop that pair that you want me to go over. Good morning, love. Good morning. So we got somebody here. They asked for EU. Okay. So let's go ahead and analyze EU. Oh, you see GJ continue to drop. So yeah, this is not longer valid. That zone right there is not longer valid. So we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. But this was awesome right here. Let's take a look at EU. Guys, there's so much that I'm gonna show you on this bootcamp. I'm not even. All right, so EU had this impulse in the morning, and it kind of like consolidated right there. Okay. And it's crazy because these are behaviors that you're gonna learn to identify. Okay. These are behaviors that you're gonna learn to identify. Let's take a look right here. This was 8:08, so that was my 8 in the morning move. Now let's see what the market does right here. I don't like EU too much, but let's take a look at let's take a look at AUD USD. Let's see what AUD USD has going on. All right. So what do we have here? We have what I see like right off the back. Big impulse, correction. Now let's see if this was like a full correction. Well, thinking that it was right here, correction never really happened, right? And then it comes over here. Now, guys, this is such a powerful thing, but it's okay. I want you guys to be in the bootcamp, but right here, price touched this area, came down, and then touched this area again, right? So right now for AUD USD, we are in a downtrend area, okay? For AUD USD. So me personally, I'm gonna go to my platform and I'm gonna see what AUD has. Okay, non-validation level is at 71.35. Okay, give me 1 second. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, guys, so pretty much we are analyzing this area right here. Okay, pretty much we're analyzing this area right here. The market never retested this area, came right here, 1, 2, and then right now it's kind of like in that area. So we're just gonna, oh wow, there was news. 9:30, of course. Well, thank God. Thank God. We were just waiting. All right. So news happened, and this is the power of news. Now it wasn't even USD news; it was JPY news. Let's take a look, right, guys? What happened with the news? It was actually CAD news. All right. It was positive news for the CAD. So we see this reaction, meaning the dollar dropped. All right. So that's what we're seeing right here. So AUD USD, it's not really, wow, look at GJ too. Crazy. So this pushed GJ even lower. I really like GJ, so let's just focus on this one. We're just gonna put the areas again. We're just gonna put the areas again. But that was some crazy move. Thank God. We were just marking up the areas. Okay, so where would I like to see the market coming? I would like to see the market coming up here for some downtrend moves. Okay. Now let me just add AUD USD right here. And we're gonna take a look at it. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at AUD USD. Sheesh. No, I just wanna take a look at something. Okay. Wow. How precise. All right, so let's see if we could get some push, some movements to the upside. Because GJ has been pushing down. And this just created a new low for the whole week. This literally right here just created a whole new low for the week. In the meantime, so this was our previous area that was retested. So let's just see what this market is trying to do. In order for me to even see a continuation, I would like to see the market coming up here. And what I mean by continuation is, yes, a continuation to the upside. Okay, I would like to see the market coming up here. But let's see. It looks like he has some room. It looks like he has some room, so we're just gonna see. There's just tools out there, guys, that are so powerful. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of like tricked me for a minute. Yeah, if you hear my stomach, I don't eat this early, so but it kind of like tricked me, right? Because yes, the market is in a downtrend, but my strategy was giving me uptrend momentum, right? So it did trick me for a minute, and it was so precise too. Like, this was the first level. This was the first level, which it was this area right here. Then this area was the area that was tested, and then from here we had this small move before the news, and then look how precise again it came, tested this area, and then look at that beautiful push to the upside. So yes, sometimes you're gonna be tricked, but the important thing is knowing, again, knowing like, if this happens, how would I react, right? So right now I'm just waiting to see to when it's gonna, you know, to where is it that it's gonna push up. But overall, I do believe that this is gonna continue coming up. Okay, I do believe that. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Euro USD wasn't really doing much before. That's why I didn't really like it. Okay, so yeah, pretty much the same thing. I mean, this one didn't really have a retest like that. I guess it gapped. Um, but yeah, right now what you're seeing is just an impulse, and then obviously we just gotta wait for that correction, because this is my level that was tested right here, and I'm just waiting for a high. I also completely forgot about the news. Sheesh. What do you mean? Which one? Amarilis? What pair are we talking about? What pair are we talking about? Girl, you didn't tell me. Oof. All right, Marcus coming down now. Let's see. What do you guys normally do in the morning? Do you guys like drink some coffee? I can't drink coffee. Coffee's not good for me. Not at all. Coffee is not good for me at all. But yeah, guys, trading is simple. Trading is simple, and it shouldn't be complicated, you know? It's just learning the right system. And that's why again I decided to do the boot camp. So if you guys want to be a part of it, you could be a part of it. Um put some Let's go. Man, I love that. I love that. I love worship so much. I love to worship, honestly. Like, not even lying. My grandma was a singer. My sister is a singer. So Hot tea. Hmm. I've been tempted to do, to do like hot tea and stuff, but I don't know if it's my thing. I just don't know. Like I don't sometimes like I'm like I don't really like trying new things, to put it that way, right? Or I'm like, what if it tastes bad? So that's just my mindset when it comes to like new things. When it comes to food, like I'm really like that with food. But guys, we're looking at AUD USD. We're looking at AUD USD. AUD USD is coming down. Now, as you guys know, it's all the way up here, right? It's really all the way up here. So I would like to see this market coming a little bit lower. But at the same time, I want to follow my rules, right? So even if we go like this to give it a little bit more room, I think I'm going to do that. Just to give it a little bit more of room. It's all right. So AUD USD is in um it's in our uptrend area. All right, AUD USD. It might come down a little bit, guys, and that's why I was trying to give it a little bit more of room. Okay, so it might come down right here. Boom. Okay, but overall, I like this area. Okay. So invalidation level is right here. Just change the color of this. This is uptrend area. Just gonna put it like that. Uptrend area. Okay, exit one, exit two, and exit three. All right. So what is it that I would like to see? Well, I would like to see the market respecting this area and then coming up. Okay. Let's see. So many people are afraid of the risk and forget. Yes, that is true. That normally I'm not afraid of like taking risk or like just doing different things, but when it comes to food, it's like that for me, you know? Like that's the area where maybe I don't like to take risk. And like imagine nothing bad could really happen. The worst thing that could happen is, well, yeah, you could get an allergic reaction, but I'm not allergic to anything. But the worst thing that could happen is that it tastes bad. But yeah, crazy. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe one day I'll try the tea. Lemon ginger. Wow. Yeah, and ginger is really good too for like a cold and stuff. But guys, as you see, AUD USD is pushing up. Let's see what it does from here. Right now it's just pushing up, up, up. So let's see. Okay, it's about to hit our exit one. Let's just set an alert so you guys can see it. Once it hit that area, let's see. Boom, right there. It just literally hit that level right there. Okay. So normally when that happens, I move my invalidation level to this uptrend area. Okay. Now it's really up to you guys, and that's one of the things that I'm going to be teaching you in the bootcamp on maybe for you. Okay, when is the best time to do that? Or it's just called management, right? But we'll go deeper into that another day. Or actually we're gonna go deeper into that in the bootcamp, right? So make sure you're there. Anyone could really participate, by the way. There's not really, if you want to participate you could, but so exit one, boom, right here. So for me, my invalidation level now is up here, and I'm waiting to see what the market is gonna do. All right, I'm just waiting to see what the market is gonna do right here. If it's gonna continue to the upside or if it's gonna come down. It's kind of like fighting right there. It's kind of like fighting right there. But let's see. Let's give it a minute, guys. Let's give it just 1 minute. Lemon and ginger. Sheesh. All right, guys. So I want to see the market breaking through this level. It's kind of like holding it right there, but I would like to see the market pushing right through it. So there's like 17 seconds. Let's see if the market could get some impulse like last second, right? And we see that breakthrough to the upside. If not, then we might see some retracement. Okay. So let's see. See that right there. We might see some retracement. We might not. Okay, but let's see. Let's give it a minute. Let's give it a minute. Right now, right now the market moved up about 13 pips. Okay. Right now the market moved up about 13 pips. So let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Let's just give it a couple minutes. Right now it's 8:50, so I guess we'll give it till 9 to see what happens. Most likely we're gonna see something happening before that, right? But let's see. Guys, if you have any question, drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat if you have any question. If you have like, oh, I don't know why she did this or what, just ask away. Okay, there's a very small group of people, so you guys could ask. All right, guys. So we see right now the market, it's kind of like pushing up. Now, this right here is a very important level. Okay, let's see if we can break through that. That is a very, very important level. Okay. So let's see if we can break through that. Right now it's kind of like rejecting it. But it's important that we break through that. Really important. We got like 50 seconds on this candle. Come on, gain some strength. We need AUD USD to go and work out more so she could have some strength. Because it's trying, but it looks like this area is kind of like, let's look back a little bit. Whenever that happens, I just look back. Well, there's not much going on right here, but we see how he's rejecting it. We see how he's rejecting it. And this is the third candle that rejects that area. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and protect my analysis. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and protect my analysis. Let's see. Let's see what it does, guys. It's kind of like fighting in the area. Now, what I did is I moved my invalidation level right below this. Okay, just in case you don't have enough strength to continue. Then that's okay. But let's see. It's kind of like struggling right there. Kind of like struggling right there. Let's see. Let's give it a minute, guys. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna cut. I'm just gonna protect my analysis, okay, and then just stay right here at exit one, okay. Um, it's just struggling too much right there. So for me, I'd rather just. So this was about 12 pips. It wasn't really like big. It might continue going up, okay? It might continue going up. I just don't like the struggle right there. It's about to be 9, and normally, you know, I analyze in the same hour, you know. Look at GJ. GJ never really went up. It's kind of like down here. GJ never really went up. But guys, again, if you want to be a part of the boot camp, again, this is gonna be life changing. It's gonna be on Wednesday. I'm gonna close, the group of for like registration. I'm gonna close it on Wednesday. So if you wanna be in the boot camp, make sure you register. The link is gonna be on my Instagram, and it's also gonna be on the Telegram. Okay. Links on the bootcamp and the Telegram, and I might drop it on the description right here. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. There's gonna be so much more content. There is a video that I'm gonna be dropping this week, and it's gonna be about trading. So I'm just excited. I'm just excited about everything, guys. I love you. Appreciate you all. DTS is coming up soon. We're launching a huge program for people that want to partner up and do business with us. So just excited overall, just excited overall. So if you want to be a part of any of this and you just want to know how to get involved, just DM me, or make sure you're on the Telegram, make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube. And other than that, guys, I hope you all have an amazing Tuesday. And then I want to do Spanish sessions. I might do it today though. At 10 in the morning, Spanish, just Spanish, straight Spanish, right? So if you speak Spanish or know anybody that speaks Spanish, you could come up at 10 in the morning. I'll be live again. All right. So I love you all, appreciate you all, and I will see you then. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for hopping on.